Hey guys, it's Marianne from Thrive Admin Services. In this video, I am sharing a really handy tip or hack for when you're working in Excel. What we're going to do is we're actually going to take a photo or an image of a table or data that's sorted in a table-like layout, and we're going to import it straight into Excel so that you don't have to retype it manually. This is a super time saver, so I'm really excited to be able to show it to you. So let's get stuck in. Okay, so in this instance, I've got a blank workbook and I've been told that I need to put this list that someone else has. And what I've actually done is I have taken, I'm going to shrink that one for a second. I've actually taken a photo of it from the other spreadsheet. So in this instance, it's a screen snip that I've done. But what I want is I've got it as an image, whether you've taken an image on your phone or someone sent you a scanned copy as a JPEG or an image. And what I want to do is I don't want to have to manually type it. So I've got this image, and what I'm going to do is I want it to go into my Excel document and I want it to sit here. Rather than manually typing it, what I can do is I can go to, now on my Mac version, we're going to data from picture. Now when you're on a PC, there should be, in this section, there'll be another one that's about get data. And then you can do from picture, and we're doing picture from file. And here, it's now opened up my file finder. Now I've got this one just on my desktop. So we'll go here and I've called it table 1, which is this one. And we go open. And what it's going to do is Excel is now actually reviewing the image and analyzing the information in the image. And what you can see it's done now is it's gone, this is the picture you've selected, review your data. So you can see it's pulled all that data in, and there are a few here where it wants me to check it, but I'm going to accept those. If I accept it, that's fine. I can review it, and it's going to run through everything, and I can accept them. Or I can simply choose to insert the data, and it's going to tell me that I haven't reviewed everything. So let's do that, because I've just done a quick scan. Everything looks fine. It's going to insert data. These still require review. I'm responsible for validating everything, so I can go in and review it, or I can now say, right, let's just bung it in anyway. And look at that. Ta-da! So I now have what it's done. If I just delete that, actually no, what we can do is then we can go there, Control X and Control V, and now everything matches. This looks exactly like this. How great's that? So in the course of, 30 seconds, I've managed to pull all of that data in. Now this is fully functional, so I can still work with it in any other way that I would like. I can select it all as individual cells, I can color it, I can do whatever I like, but it's now all in there in one fell swoop. Did you know about this feature? So there you have it. How quick and easy is that? I think that'll be a massive time saver, particularly if you're working with other people and they've got data and they're scanning or sending you an image, or you're looking at hard copies of things and you can take some photos and just get them straight into your system. Amazing. Now remember, I am working in Excel on a Mac, so if you're on a PC or you're working on the web version, some of your buttons and functions may be a little bit different. I'm also using the business subscription. So if you're using a personal subscription, a not-for-profit or an education version, again, your functionality may be a little bit different. If you have any questions about anything you've seen, pop a comment on the video below or get in touch with me directly. You'll find me hanging out on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, or you can get in touch directly via thriveadmin.com. Have a great day.